Since I began using VR headsets, glasses have always been a big hassle. The problem with them is that they're always getting in the way of the action. You have to make sure they don't break or scratch your lenses. This is why I was so excited about VR Optician's prescription lens adapter. It was exactly what I was looking for. I could use my prescription lens with my headset to see clearly without having to worry about them breaking or losing. With the VR Optician, you can get a custom prescription lens that will work perfectly with your Quest 2. I ordered my lenses on their website and had them within 2 weeks. The whole process is super easy. Just upload your prescription information and order your lenses. It's super easy to install too. Just insert the adapter into your headset and then slide it into place over the original lens. The adapter is built from high-quality materials that are durable enough to last 3 years of use. The quality of the lenses is amazing. They're crystal clear with a scratch-resistant hard coating that protects it from impact. Plus, it uses Zeiss DuraVision Blue Protect technology, which makes it suitable for long-term use. So, if you're like me and you wear glasses and want a way to see clearly and comfortably in your Quest 2, then VR Optician's prescription lens adapter is exactly what you need. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next video.